Welcome to TenorShare channel. This is when you have difficulty logging into your Instagram account. Forgot Instagram password? Here's how to find it with For You Key Password Manager. Let's get started. To download, tap the link in the description below. Connect your iPhone, then tap Start Scan. It will take a few minutes. To save your time, let's fast forward. Well done. Now go to Website and App Password column. All your social media accounts information will be listed here. Tap Export to save it to your local disk. You can customize format and location. Now log in with the recovered password. This is how For You Key Password Manager finds Instagram passwords. For more tutorials, subscribe to the TenorShare channel or go to tenorshare.com. TenorShare. Better software, better life.